Hello guys, and welcome back to Drumbotics channel. Not a long time ago, I competed with my newly built horizontal spinner. This is my third robot that I competed in Comic Clash. The Taito 2 and Drumbotics kit videos are out already, so check them out. And you might say, Drumbotics only do drum spinners, but you are wrong. This time I made a horizontal spinner, and I think I did great. Let me show you how I did it. Firstly, I need to design the robot itself, and actually this is not my first time making a horizontal. Here is my first horizontal that I made about 3 years ago. It was the best robot at that time, until my robot was split in half right in this place and destroyed. I lost my confidence on horizontal spinners and gave up on them. Started to make drum spinners more. But now I'm back at making horizontals because they are so entertaining to watch. Okay, now that I have a 3D design, I need to 3D print them. But what plastic should I use? Maybe PETG, maybe ABS, or even this rubbery plastic TPU. After a lot of thinking, I chose ABS. It's because PETG is way heavier than ABS, but TPU is too soft for making chassis, so ABS is the way to go. I use ABS for all of my drum spinner chassis because it's lightweight and super strong when printing on high temperature. So now I pressed the print button and printed it. Turned out great. Tires I printed out of carbon fiber PETG because it's a stiff plastic, and I need this set screw to screw in this place so my wheel stays on my motor shaft. Thirdly, the electronics. I use these two small 10 amp brush drives with Pululu 1.6 amps brushed motors, so it has power. Although horizontals can't push, like for example verticals with wedges, but it's always better to have more power. For the ESC, I use 45 amp speed controller that powers this 2500 kV 500 watt motor. All of these are being powered by a 2-cell 300 mAh battery. And now, we've all been waiting for the weapon bar. It is laser cutted out of steel, and it weighs 45 grams. With a 42mm reach, I'm hoping to have a reach advantage against everyone. The weapon motor is held by 4 2mm steel screws, and in the bottom there is a 5mm bearing that the motor shaft goes. With two sides supporting, I think it should not break, but as always, we will need to check it in the competition. Okay, so now I'm ready. The arena is perfect for horizontals because there is only one small hole that opens after 1 minute. Not like other arenas with 4 holes that are very not good for horizontals. My first fight was against this pusher with a lifter. Let's see how it went. Okay, it's a promising start. Got to his wheels and he tapped out afterwards. I got no serious damage, but my motor shafts were moving and that's not good. But it still drove, so I thought this wouldn't be a problem. My next fight was against this extremely scary vertical spinner named Sheep. He has these wedges to get under me, and he uses pulleys to run his weapon. His weapon stopped working.
I hear that.
Tai pasiduok, ką čia galiu.
Oh wow, I was lucky because in the first hit his weapon bent, and after that he couldn't spin his weapon. I took no damage again, but my motor shafts literally were wobbly, so I soldered my backup motors. My next fight was against a flipper. Let's see how I did.
Ти вискочив?
Nice easy little win. It seems that his drives were knocked out after my hit. My next fight was against, this pusher again. I hate these kinds of robots and it's very hard to win with horizontals against these. Let's see how I did.
Wow, guys, good job. Don't afraid, try to play because we have prizes for this Kahoot. Yes, of course, there's gonna be prizes. If you win,
Товариш ти.
maybe you're so lucky, so just try. It's just try. Have a little wow, nice, thank you. Maybe some new ones.
Yeah, what do I even have to tell? I just got destroyed by a pusher. On this hit I hitted the wall and I just got obliterated. My 5mm thick weapon bent, my expensive motor broke, and the whole chassis broke off. That was unfortunate. With that my horizontal spinner placed the 16th place. I was sad that my horizontal got destroyed, and after this performance I will never be making horizontals again, because I would have to change the motors every other fight. Okay, so that's it. Also, I will have a big Antweight competition in June 15th with my new titanium secret egg beater. So stay tuned because it will be a banger.